Hi everyone, it's Teacher Sue here again. I hope you're staying safe at home and learning lots of fun things online. So for this week's science experiment, we're going to see whether plants really need air to survive, okay? So we're going to make a plant breathing experiment, or we're just going to look at how plants breathe, okay? So for this experiment, you'll be needing water, a plastic container or any clear container that you have, and a leaf. Okay, just one leaf will do. So first, I'm going to put the leaf inside the container like this and pour some water in it. Yep, that's enough. Okay. Next, we're going to put the container where there is sunlight, okay? Wherever the sun shines, we're going to put the container there. This is where Teacher Sue gets sunlight. So I'm going to put it there. Alright, so now we have to wait a few hours and then we're going to check back on our container. Okay, it's been a few hours now and you can see that there are small tiny bubbles on the leaf. That shows that plants need air to survive. And this is how plants breathe. You can see the tiny little bubbles. There you have it. That's our experiment for this week. I hope you had fun and I'll see you all soon. Bye!